Don't you pick on Swifty because he's slower than you. Don't you pick on Swifty, he know not what he do. Don't distract him while he's driving, he don't need an excuse. Don't you pick on Swifty, or he might run into you. One week I watched a Swifty back up, and that's about how long it took. I just started Harry Potter, he got her when I finished that book. Did I mention I'm dyslexic, and I read slower than most? Don't you pick on Swifty, 'cause they get confused, so I'm told.
Why didn't you ever just join American Idol? I bet you'd get somewhere in life other than trying a truck, because you're pretty damn good, brother.
Hey, I appreciate it, driver. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're coming in pretty darn clear, man. Are you freaking, were you in like that W9 that passed me?
No, I'm stopped up here at the brake check.
That's fucking sucks. I have to stop up here. I heard you when I was coming down that hill.
Jimfo. I'm glad you liked it, man.
I'll tell you what, you can be my entertainment all the way to Sacramento.
Oh, shoot, you might have yourself a deal there. You ever wonder what it might sound like if Led Zeppelin were truck drivers?
That would fucking be awesome.
Hey, Swifty, while you drive that way, won't you keep that bitch right in your lane?
Fuck, that was good, man.
Thanks, man, thanks.